Hi there, and welcome to this lesson. Now, in this lesson, we'll be doing basic algebra, okay? And under basic algebra, we'll be learning expansion of algebraic expressions. Yeah, expansion. Very, very simple principle, but we'll get into all of it shortly. And at this point, I'd remind you, as the lesson progresses, if you have any issues at all, anything comes of us unclear, please feel free to get in touch, okay? We would be more than happy to help. Okay, let's jump right into the lesson. So expansion of algebraic expression. What is expansion really? Um, Consider the figure below. Okay, so we have a rectangle there, and I'm going to split this rectangle into two using that line. Okay, and then I'm going to label the width of this rectangle as A, and then basically I've split the length into two portions. I'm going to label them B, the smaller one B, and the larger one C. Okay, so what is the significance of this? Where we're going with this? If you were asked to find the area of this rectangle, okay, there are two ways you can go about doing so. You can either add B and C together, okay, add B plus C, it gives you the length of the rectangle, and you multiply that by A. Okay, so B plus C multiplied by A. Another way you would approach finding the area of this rectangle is you can multiply A by B to give the area of the smaller portion, and A by C to give you the area of the larger portion, and then add them together. Okay, so AB plus AC. So two ways you can go about finding the area of the rectangle, and basically A multiplying B plus C is the same as AB plus AC, and this is the distributive property in algebra, in that if you have A multiplying B plus C in brackets, you can actually expand that. Okay, that's the idea of this lesson. You can expand that to give you AB plus AC, and here's how it works. So you have A multiplying B plus C. You basically say A multiplying B will give you AB, and A multiplying C, or A multiplying plus C, would give you plus AC. Yeah, and that's it. That's pretty much what we would be learning about in this lesson. That's the basic idea, basically distributing algebraic terms. And here are a few more examples. So we had A multiplying B plus C previously, and now we have A multiplying B minus C, and you probably guessed it, it gives you AB minus AC. Now what if we had minus A multiplying B plus C? Basically minus A multiplying B will give you minus AB, and minus A multiplying plus C will give you minus AC. It's very important you note this, okay? The negative signs get confuse students from time to time, and yeah, let's do another one. And then basically we have, what if you had A minus A multiplying B minus C? Basically minus A multiplying B will give you minus AB, and minus A multiplied by minus C would give you plus AC, because minus multiplied by minus gives you plus. So yeah, that's pretty much all you need to know about expansion. Let's go ahead and solve some examples. So example 1. And example 1 says simplify 8n multiply 8n n plus 9. Now, to expand this, we pretty much just multiply 8n by n. It gives you 8n squared, and then you do the same for 8n times plus 9. It gives you plus 72n, and that's it. Very simple, very straightforward. Let's move on. Now example 2, and example 2 looks a bit more complicated, but nothing that we can't handle. It says simplify minus 3x multiplying 1 minus 4x minus 4x squared. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. So we have minus 3x multiplied by 1